Namaste, I am Rahul Kangude, Assistant Teacher, ZP Primary School Shinde Basti, Cluster Navi, Taluka Indapur, District Pune. Today I choose a content from English textbook of Standard 4. I deliberately use Standard 4 because all the students are from same class. And today's my content is Roti in the Pan from Unit 2, page number 29. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
How are you all students?
We are fine, sir.
Very good. So, the name of today's poem is Roti in the Pan. Do you know the roti?
Yes, sir.
What is roti? Yes, you?
Roti is a type of food.
Very good. Roti is a one kind of food. Do you know another food items? Can you tell me? Yes, you?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. Very good. Yes, you?
Fruits.
Fruits. Do you know any other food?
Milk.
Milk. Milk is also one kind of food. So we have to sing a poem including these food items. Do you like it?
Yes, sir.
So let's enjoy today. But before that, I already having some kitchen utensils here. Suppose apron is here, a cooking cap is here. We have to be wear this proper uniform. After then we have to be sing a poem. Okay? Do you like it?
Yes,
So I will give you 1 minute. Huh? Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
So you have a pan, you have vegetables, you have salads, you have veggies, and you are wearing a proper uniform of kitchen. Okay? So let's pick up your pan in your hand. You have to be recite after me. I am going to read first two lines. After then you have to be repeat me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Properly. So listen quietly. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Start. Repeat after me. Okay? Roti in the pan. Roti in the pan.
Roti in the pan. Roti in the pan.
Pop pop toss toss. Roti in the pan.
Pop, pop, toss, toss. Roti in the pan.
Veggie in the pan. Veggie in the pan.
Veggie in the pan. Veggie in the pan.
Fry dry. Veggie in the pan.
Fry, dry. Veggie in the pan.
Salad in the bowl. Salad in the bowl.
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 Crunch munch. Salad in the bowl.
Crunch, munch. Salad in the bowl.
Crunch munch. Salad in the bowl.
Crunch, munch. Salad in the bowl.
Milk in the cup. Milk in the cup.
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 Sip slurp. Milk in the cup.
Sleep, slurp. Milk in the cup.
Sip slurp. Milk in the cup.
Sleep, slurp. Milk in the cup.
So nice of you. Very good. Now sit down please.
Thank you, sir.
Getting today some new words. I am going to write down all these words onto this whiteboard. You have to write down. Okay. The first new word is roti. Okay. So pick up your notebooks properly. Roti. Can anybody from you tell me in which pot we bake a roti? Yes, you are no?
Roti in the pan.
In the pan.
In
Very
the
good.
pan.
What is the spelling of pan?
Pan.
Very good. We are always baking a roti in the pan. Pan. So wait for some time. The next word is veggie. What is mean by veggie? Yes, you?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. Veggie means vegetables. Veggie. In which pot we fry the vegetables? Yes, you?
Pan.
In the pan. Veggies are also frying in the pan. The next is salad. In which pot we eat salad? Because salad is not a baking and frying item. Yes, you?
Bowl.
Salad bowl. And last is milk. Do you know milk?
Yes, sir.
What we are using for milk? Which is the pot that we are using for drinking the milk? Yes, you?
Yes.
Glass or what?
Cup.
Cup. What is the spelling of cup?
C-U-P.
C-U-P, cup. So these are the pairs of what? Roti, pan, veggie, pan, salad, bowl, milk, cup. And even more, today we are getting some new rhyming words also. Suppose fry.
Dry.
What is the rhyming word for fry? Dry. Fry.
Dry.
Crunch.
Munch.
Munch. Crunch.
Munch.
Munch. Very good. So similar like that, we are study today veggie, roti, salad and milk. If you know another food items, can you make a proper rhythm
Yes, sir.
similar like this poem?
Yes, sir.
Which food item do you want to take today?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. You have the ice cream school?
Yes, sir.
Both of you have. So start up please. You have to make the same rhythm similar like that. Okay?
Yes.
It is apart from our book. Shall we start now?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, start.
Ice cream in the scoop. 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 Cool, cool, sweet, sweet. Ice cream in the scoop. Cool, cool, sweet, sweet. Ice cream in the scoop.
Very good. So nice of you. Please
Thank
sit
you,
down. Do you have another item?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Fruits.
Fruits? Where you are keeping the fruits?
Sir.
In the bowl. Okay. Start up please. You have to be also make the same rhythm.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, start.
Fruits in the bowl, fruits in the bowl, fruits in the bowl, fruits in the bowl. Yummy, 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 yummy fruits in the bowl. Yummy, 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 yummy fruits in the bowl.
Very good. So nice of you. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So nice of you. We are also getting some new rhythmic rhyming words also. Yummy, yummy. So today you have to be write down all these words in your notebook. When you are coming tomorrow, you have to be do the homework. You have to be recite all these words properly. You have to be also recite the poem properly and come in the time. So nice of you. Do you want to give any other message for our students?
Sir,
Yes, you please.
stay at home and stay safe.
You stand up please. Give the message on the camera.
Stay home and stay safe.
Very good. Stay home and stay
Stay safe.
safe. Very good. Sit down please. That's all. Thank you.